Hello friends, I am Chetan Parmar and today I am going to discuss about type conversion functions of C# programming. So now see how type conversion functions is works and what is this type conversion functions. So first about introduction about this function type conversion. Type conversion is a converting a one type of data to another type. So in programming, some of the times we have to convert one type of variable into another types. So this is the concepts of type conversion. Sometimes it is also known as a type casting. This is the same word, type casting. So you can also say that it's a type casting and type conversion, both are similar. In C sharp, type castings is this form two forms. Implicit conversion, first one, and second one is a explicit conversion. As you heard about his name, implicit and explicit. Implicit means that it is will be automatically will be done, or it will be done by a system or a program. And explicitly means that user have to give this own code for it. Okay. So implicit types of conversion. These conversions are performed by C sharp in a type safe manner. For example, conversion from smaller, remember is smaller to larger integral types and conversion from derived classes to a base class. This is the example of the implicit conversion. So we can say that in that case is that it is a type safe manner and data loss chances are very less because your smaller type of variable will be converted into bigger or larger type of variables. So it is a implicit type of conversion. For example, if I am converting an integer type of variable into float type, so float type size is a bigger than integer. So this is the example of implicitly conversions, and in that conversion we don't have to put any conversion functions. So system will be automatically will be converted it, which will be done by this implicit conversion. Okay. Then next one is a explicit conversion. These conversions are done explicitly by user using a predefined functions, and these predefined functions you have to be remember about that what you have functions you have to use in your program. Explicitly conversion require a cast operator also. This is a cast operator. So for explicitly conversions you have to be convert by a explicitly user defined functions. Okay, so now let's see which types of functions are available for in C sharp for converting. So C sharp type conversion functions methods. These are the some few of the methods I am list out. It's not all, but few of methods are available here. The first one is for to boolean. This boolean will be this is the user is convert a type to a boolean type variables where possible. So to boolean that means any type of variable will be converted into boolean type. To byte it will be convert a type to a byte type variable. To character it will be convert a type to a single Unicode character where possible again. To date time it will be converting a type, it is an integer or string type, to a date time structure. To decimal it will be converting a floating point or integral type to a decimal point type. To double it will be converting a type to a double type data. To integer 16 it will be converting a type to a 16-bit integer. Integer 632 again just a bit it will be different, 32-bit in. And to int is 64, again bit is changed 64-bit, so it's a 16-bit, 32-bit and 64-bit. To single it will be converting a type to a small floating type number. To string converting a type to a string function. And to type, this is the very important function, to type it will be convert a type to a specified type. Okay, so there is a list is giving the few of the data or methods. There are more conversion functions available, but the common thing from this table you can analyze that each and every type have first two characters similar, two, you can see here two to2. Then type, which type you want to convert. If you convert your any type of variable into string, so to and string, you can see here to and string. If you want to convert into integer 64-bit, so to and 64. So very easy for remembering in form of remembering. So two, and which type you want to convert, that type is present here. Okay, let's give we discussed with simple common example. Here in this example, there is a integer type, floating type, and double type, and boolean type is available. And these four type will be converted into string. Okay. Now here the first is this our library. So using system, this is we first include library here. Then namespace is a type conversion application, so I am including here namespace also. This is again optional. You have, it's not mandatory part of namespace is there. If you want to ignore, you can ignore it. Not an issue about that. Then this is the class, and class is a string conversion name. Then void main method is available. Now my first variable int I75. So first variable I value 75, floating f value is 53.005. So floating, so that's why f is here. Now double d have value 2345.7652. It's very bigger value. And boolean b value true. Okay, now this I, f, d and b variable we will convert it into string. So how it's possible? So console.write line, I'm just printing it and just printing the value of I. If I'm writing I in a message, so it's give the error because this write function take text as a argument. Okay, and here we are passing I is a type of integer, so it will be not allowing me. So you have to first convert this I variable into string, and this will be done by toString method. That's why you write I dot toString. So integer will be converted into string, and that string will be passed to this write line function, and it will be displayed on screen 75, which is the value of I. Okay. Similar way, the f is a floating variable. Floating variable again will be converted into string by toString method. Decimal, sorry, double, and double is again converted into string by toString method. Then boolean is again converted into toString method, and last is a for read key for prompting or user waiting. So using this way, you can convert any type of variable into another types using this casting function method of two. Okay, so I hope you understanding types of conversion function, implicitly and explicitly conversion, how to create run explicitly conversion using two method, two string, two date, two date time, two int64, two int, two double. So for using these functions you will be converted from any type of variable into another types if it is possible. Okay, so thank you so much for watching me, and if you like this video you can press the like button, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon, so whenever I uploading a new video you will get the notifications about it. If you have any feedback, or if you have any doubt, or if you have any comment about this video, you can mention in a below comment box, and subscribe my YouTube channel also. You can also share this video with your friends and colleagues. So once again, thank you so much, and have a good